to put you the same question. You can buy everything, but how it's possible to buy a person's love towards you?
It is an exceptional, but
How it can be exceptional?
I am telling about common events.
Okay, is there any another thing which you can similarly can exemplify?
Okay, even any person is suffering from any disease, then the money is required there.
Yes, in that case it can be helpful. But what about some eagerness? A person has a tremendous love for somebody.
Yes.
All right, even the person has no money, still he has the love. And on the other hand, there are many people, those who have a huge amount
You are
of.
talking about love, but she's talking about love area.
Yes,
Okay, she said it's disease.
yes,
So you can cure that disease with your money.
Yes.
So buy a few pills and pop, so that she is absolutely cured.
so that is the main thing. So we need to understand money can buy everything, money can give us all the satisfaction, but what about the inner satisfaction? Is it at all possible for a person to get?
Okay, if in case of marriage, every girl sees the boys' money bank balance. If the boys don't have any money, any bank balance, then the girl.
See, that is the practical thing you need to understand. I think that you are quite matured enough to understand there are certain necessary things in life we need to go through.
Even listen, even the girl marries the person, then what and what will happen?
I'm not disagreeing with you.
Why the rich couple gets divorced?
Hmm.
There are many rich couples
Yes.
all over the world, and you will see they also get divorced from each other. How is it possible? If money is everything, then they should not divorce each other. Why do they divorce?
It is for men. It is for
Even sir, not only
women.
divorce, I mean divorce over here right now, alimony, palimony also going to be claimed.
Yes. Alimony also.
Why?
can
Why
be
so?
taken.
If money has so much power.
Yes, that I am telling. In case of divorce, there comes money. So, for getting money, then
Is it
why?
possible for you to make your child a true human being if you have lots of bucks? You're a mother
Yes.
and you have your child. Now, with the help of your money, is it possible for you to, with guarantee of course, to bring your child up as an absolutely blessed man?
Why not? Because I will
Many
teach.
rich people are there, rich parents are there who have spoiled brats. What about